In this lesson, we're going to cover weld preps. A weld prep is going to be placed before we place in a weld, and a weld preparation will help prepare the part to take the weld or create a stronger weld. The file that we're going to use for this lesson is called weldprep.iam, and it can be found in your Chapter 11 exercise folder. These weld preps that we are going to place here will not affect the parent file. The weld prep will only exist in the weldment assembly that they have been placed. To create a weld prep, simply double-click on Preparations in the browser. The panel will change to the Weldment Features panel, and here you're going to see a lot of tools that you're very familiar with. The most popular tool that is used for weld prep is a chamfer. So that's what we're going to place in here. In this case, what I want to do is I want to chamfer the two edges of this green plate. And in this case, I'm going to change it to 3 millimeters. And just like you were placing in a regular chamfer, you get a preview. And of course, we do have the other options for the chamfer, but in this case, I'm just going to do the straight 45 degree. And if I spin that around, you'll see that the chamfer has been placed. Now, if I go ahead and open up that file, because like I said, that preparation is only existing at that assembly, it doesn't exist at the part level. So even if I go ahead and save this file here, close out the part file, you can see that the weld prep is still here. It is only existing here at the assembly level. So if I expand the preparations folder, you'll see that it's showing me the chamfer 1, and in this case it's also stating exactly what part that chamfer has been placed on. I want to go back and place in one more chamfer, and what I want to do in this case is I want to go back and chamfer the bottom edge of the tube so it'll accept a fillet weld a little bit easier. And again, I'm just going to accept the 3 millimeter distance that we have for our chamfer, and if I spin that around, you'll see that it had no problem placing in that chamfer. In the next lesson, we will go ahead and place in fillet welds on this assembly.